Hey, welcome back. We've got 10 tactical gift ideas for guys because apparently we're super hard to buy for. We'll go through the list, then we'll go through the prices. First off, we've got a Swiss Army knife, pretty much a staple of any man. It's a really good bit of kit and they're super handy and not too expensive these days. The next one we have is a pocket knife sharpener. Pairs well with the knife, obviously. They're quite good and handy too. Quite small and compact. Take it with you when you go hunting or whatever you need to do. The next one, these little G clips, they go into molly. They're good for paddle belts, good for chest rigs. People do tubing and all that kind of stuff through them. They're quite cheap. They come in a pack of 6 or so. They're quite good. Next one we've got is ammunition. Ammunition is never wasted. Yeah, even if it's cheap, we appreciate it, we will shoot it. That being said, if I've got ammo, I need something to shoot it at. So, without saying, bit of shooting targetry, can't hurt. These are just from Temu, they're pretty cheap. They're stickers, packs of 50, well under $100. Next one we've got here are soft T tourniquets. Yeah, tourniquets don't come in first aid kits, so for those people that are tactically minded and get first aid kits, good addition. Something to keep in the car or on yourself or your person if you're going hunting or going to the range. Time to use it is when you need it. Next one, bit of a hobby item for guys. Everyone wants to be James Bond or Jason Bourne, so lockpicking kit with a little dummy lock so you can practice and see what you're doing till you get better. There's a lot of videos on this on YouTube. I think we've done a quick one as well. If you go back through, I think it was lockpicking like a spy made easy. Also, Rescue Me tool. It's a glass breaker and seatbelt cutter. Quite useful, quite handy, and a bit of an EDC item that can be on your person. Also, I've bought this for family members as well. This is the US made one, so Rescue Me about 15 to 30 bucks, but you can get some cheap Chinese ones for like $5, but for something that you want to save your life, probably worth just throwing in the extra 30. The second last item we've got here is the old tactical torch. Yeah, this is just a cheap one from a hardware store. I've had it for quite a few years. Really like it, just lives in the car. Comes in quite handy. Nothing too crazy there. And the last one, like any good man, Yeti stubby cooler. Yep, just kept my beer nice and cold the whole way through. And again, under $100, so about $40. Not too bad. Tactical light, 20, 30 bucks. These about $20, Temu, Amazon, what have you. Rescue Me tool, $14, $30-ish. I think I mentioned it before, but really good. Also, tourniquet. Yeah, we want to get this from probably a reputable dealer, not on Temu, not on Amazon. So probably running you a bit more expensive, the $65, $70 mark. Ammunition, I think this box cost me $35, so not too bad. Temu targets, 15 bucks for 50, quite affordable. Pocket sharpener, this is a Gerber one, so I think they go about 40 separate, but they do come in sets with a knife and all that kind of jazz for not too much. Cheaper ones on Temu for about 3 bucks, very similar design, good to go. The G clips that go on molly, they run for about, $4 for a pack of 6. I've got ones from proper stores and also on the Chinese ones. Can't tell the difference from the same factory. Swiss Army knives. They can range from very expensive to very cheap. Cheaper being about 25. This one probably in the $150 range in between there. Really good. And the one bonus item we've got for you, if you've got no money, make an ornament. Bruce Willis, Christmas personified. It is not Christmas until I see Hans Gruber fall from Nakatomi Plaza. Either get the DVD or make for free this little ornament for the Christmas tree. It's a great little touch. If you want to know how we did it, please like, subscribe, leave a comment. We might do a video on how to make that bad boy. But otherwise, have a good Christmas. Enjoy.